So hello everyone. So today we are gonna be trying to model this hexagon lighting fixture. Okay, so we're gonna be trying to model this hexagon lighting fixture. I'm gonna be showing you guys, and let's go ahead and do that. First, you gotta have your model ready so we can place it after we actually model the lighting fixture. So in modeling the lighting fixture, you guys have to go to new, family, and then go to English and then find generic model ceiling based. Hold on. Right here. Metric generic model ceiling based. And just go ahead and open that. Right after opening that, as you can see right here, this is our ceiling right here. So this is where our lighting will be attached. So if you go to front, this is actually our ceiling where the lighting fixture is gonna be attached. So go to front. So this is gonna be our ceiling, right? And our lighting fixture is gonna be hanging from over there. So just type in reference plane and then just create a reference plane right here. And then let's just put this at around 500 or whatever you guys need. But then you can name this as host. Okay. And then we will need to have to put a dimension right over here so we can actually adjust um the lighting into its like height. So this is example, this is the ceiling right here. Our lighting is gonna be dropping from over here and right here. And then with this dimension right here, we're gonna be adding a parameter to it, and then we can adjust that to our projects whenever we actually put it on our projects. So let's just go ahead and do that. Just put in right here light lighting or lighting height. Just put it at that one. Put it on instance so we can edit it directly. And then boom, click OK. And then okay, so now that we have that, we can actually go ahead and create our extrusion. So depending on the model that you guys are working on or the size of the ceiling, you guys can just uh, create the specific type. Put on 6. How big you guys want this is depending on the project you're working on. So I'm gonna just put it on maybe 480. Okay. Um, hit OK, and then go to front. It is set to the wrong working plane since we didn't really set a working plane. So let's just go ahead and drop this one right here, all the way in there. Just approximate this one depending on how thick you want it to be. Okay, and then lock this in place over there so it doesn't move around. The next thing we want to do is create a something that, yeah, like a steel pipe right here that actually holds the lights together. So just go ahead and make that. So in this polygon right here, just create an extrusion and then hit the circle in the middle. Not too big, since this is just imagine this is like a metal rod. Okay, just go to 5. Boom, go to front, see what that is. It's in the wrong, it's in the wrong working plane again, but just adjust it. Boom. So this is the ceiling right here, and then that is where it is working. So we can go ahead and lock this right there so it doesn't move. And then, so if you go to 3D, just go to 3D and check. Okay, this is the top plane set to the wrong view, so just go down and you have it right there. As you can see, we have the hanging thing. So if you go to front view right here, click this in this box right there. Then you go to front when you're editing the family right here, the same thing, right? So this is the ceiling right here. When you go to 3D, here's the ceiling, here's your light. You go to front, the same thing. So just keep that in mind. A lot of people actually confuses those. So there you have it. So now, as you guys can see, we added a parameter to the offset, right? So when we go here, we have this um lighting height from 500 from ceiling all the way to the lighting fixture. It's 500. So when you go here and then go to front view, we can check that if it's actually working. So it's 500 offset from the ceiling to the light, right? So if you click 400, click apply, and there you go. It actually adjusts, so it's working. But something's wrong. We didn't lock or constrain the others. Okay, go to wireframe so you guys can see the overall shape of the light. And then we want to create like slight extrusion inside going there. So just go ahead and go to void extrusion, go to wireframe. Uh, first, just make the line. Give it a slight offset. I forgot. 10. Still working. Okay, we forgot to set the work plane. So we did this, hit that. There you go. Hit an offset of maybe 5 or 10. Boom, boom. So going extrusion. Okay. So once you finish this, just go to check and then go to hidden line. You won't be able to see it yet. Okay, you. Okay, that's a bit too much. Let's put it at 10. Okay. Okay, you guys cannot see it yet. So just go ahead and cut geometry right here. Hit tab key till you select this. Just select that, and then there you go. Just cut plane right over there. So never forget to cut your geometry after void extrusion. Okay, so after this, we need to create a slight, like a light bulb, something like that. So just go ahead and go to extrusion, and then we gotta set the work plane, pick a plane, hover into that inner polygon, and then just go ahead and pick lines. We need to add an offset of maybe 10 again. Go. Okay. Right there. Right there. Okay, so just edit the extrusion end and just maybe put 10. Click OK. Intersection there. Okay, lines are intersecting. Just DR. There you go. Okay. Seems like all lines are intersecting. Hit OK. Okay, there you go. And then change the material because that thing is the like a light bulb. So just go to just go to glass. Let's try that out. There should be something that's glowing like this one. Okay, hit that, hit apply, okay, and then there you go. Then right after that, just to make sure it's actually this um material is actually illuminating when we load it into project, just go here to visibility. Let's add a parameter and then just name it lights. Okay, so just put that on instance. So when you want to turn off the light, in case you want to turn on or off the light in your project, then you have the option to do that. So if you guys want to see that, just go here and then right here, turn off or on. Just leave it on right for now. Okay, and then load into project. Okay, wait, let's check if everything's good. Everything seems good. Okay, now load that into project. There you go. You just try to render that. Just double click R. High output setting. Just keep it to that. Lighting. Let's just go with artificial only.